Hello, I'm Joanne, and I'm here to teach you how to attach a file into Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a part of Office 365. After you started your team, you can go down to Start a New Conversation, and down at the bottom there are different options for you to use. You're going to click on the paperclip icon, which would take you, and as you scroll over it, it'll say Attach. You're going to go Upload, or if you have something on your OneDrive, or if something is already in here in Microsoft Teams, you can upload that as well. But you're going to go to Upload from my computer. Click the document that you would like to share. I'm going to choose this picture for now. Click Open. And then you can add a caption or information about it. And I'm just going to mention Office 365. And then we're going to drop it in there, and it shows up and allows people to reply to that picture individually. You can also add different GIFs. You can add different stickers. You can also elaborate and add a subject to your conversation if you want to start a new one. You also have the option to meet now, so do a video. And then the three dots, the little icon here, gives you various options. You can add different types of apps and features. If there's a particular place that you wanted to talk about, a YouTube video, you can also praise anyone in your team. So if I wanted to say awesome, I can say awesome. I can choose someone. Say great job. Hit preview, and then there you go, and we can send it. So Microsoft Teams has a lot of great features. It's a very awesome app to use when collaborating as a team. Also, you are able to access all your files here under the File tab. So any files that you have uploaded, they are here. Anything that you would have downloaded, keep track of your file downloads, is located here. You can also access your OneDrive in this area, which of course you can upload new and attach a link. So there's plenty of options with Microsoft Teams. It's, like I said, it's a very great app to collaborate with, and I hope you learned a lot about Microsoft Teams today.